Bonjour everyone, Madam Bleu here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a traditional install, natural sew-in. Some people call it either one. I call it traditional install. That's what is bookable under on my booking site. I did not show the shampoo, but we're gonna start off with the braid down. I do, unless they say not to, I do the full perimeter out. At the very least, the front edge has got to be out. Sometimes they don't want the back out, and that's cool. For this install, we did do the whole perimeter out. I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to come in, you know, when I need to. But yeah, for the most part, I'm going to just let y'all see. Now, this is to not be shady in any way, shape, or form. I did show the hair, and I've said this before in another video. I don't know if it was a tutorial or if it was a vlog. That particular hair, I believe when people buy it on sale, the hair is mixed. It's not 100% human hair, and it melts. So that was the case for this. Of course, it didn't melt completely, but as I was curling it, the hair was sticking to my iron. I don't like that. I mean, people can bring whatever hair they want. I used to provide the hair for my installs, but then I stopped selling hair. I'm thinking about providing hair again. In the meantime, I let all my clients know my vendor is available. So some of them have purchased a vendor's list, but they still reach out to me to get the hair for them, which is fine. But the quality of the hair is one of the most important things when it comes to a sew-in, because one, being able to maintain that hair is very important so that when you leave the salon, you can still look your best. And also, you're spending a lot of money on the service. Even if the hair is on sale, you're spending a lot of money on this hair. So if you're going to spend $200, $250 on an install, you want it to last. A lot of people leave their weaves in 2-3 months. 3 months is a stretch, babe, but they do it. And to have hair that does not last as long, or hair that's shedding, like, babe, just invest. Let me tell y'all. Maybe I'll do a separate video on this. I've done short videos regarding this, but just invest in the hair. I don't even buy that much hair for myself unless I want a new wig. Just invest. The hair will last you forever. Even my blue wig, I will put this on the screen. I made this wig in 2018, babe. I just wore it again, recolored it, curled it, and wore it on my birthday in 2023. Just invest, babe. Trust me, it's worth it.
Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could go on.